Using Robinhood for work versus personal tasks. Robinhood is an app primarily designed for individual retail investors seeking a user-friendly and low-cost way to access the stock and crypto markets. It's widely considered one of the best platforms for beginners due to its intuitive mobile app, fractional share investing, and commission-free trading. Now, some of the advantages, whether you're using for personal benefit or for a professional benefit, let's first of all discuss for personal investing. Now, the first is that it is quite a low-cost investment. Robinhood offers commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. It also has a $0 minimum deposit requirement to open an account. You have the ease of use in the second option, which is a mobile-first design and streamlined interface are user-friendly, which means it is specifically designed for the mobile versions and not only for the websites. And it's very user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to start investing, as you can just quite find it out by going through the application. You have fractional shares, which allows users to invest in high-priced stocks with small amounts of money. You also have IRA Match, which means that it offers a 1% match on eligible IRA contributions with a 3% match for gold members. You have 24-hour market, which allows users to place limit orders and access IPO trading outside of standard market hours. Now, these are the benefits as to why you'd want to use it for a personal investment. If you're seeking a professional investment from this platform, there are basically some disadvantages actually. So it has a limited amount of research and data. Robinhood's research tools, market data, and news offerings are less comprehensive compared to platforms catering to professional investors. It has no business accounts because Robinhood currently does not support business, LLC, or corporate accounts. It has lack of mutual funds and individual bonds. This can limit diversification options for a truly balanced portfolio. It also has limited customer service, which means Robinhood's customer support is primarily via email and an in-app help center, lacking the immediate assistance professional traders might actually need. PFOF concerns as well, which is the payment for order flow model, can raise concerns about trade execution quality, and for legal and regulatory issues because Robinhood has faced regulatory fines and lawsuits related to practices like gamification and trading restrictions during volatile periods. In conclusion, what I mean is that while Robinhood is an excellent choice for casual investors due to its accessibility and low cost, it may not be suitable for professional use or for investors seeking advanced analytical tools, comprehensive research, and specialized tools features found on platforms tailored for active and institutional traders. I hope that this video helped it break down to you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.